Hi, this is Jerry Howell from Assured Concepts Group with an educational economic update for October 2016. In this month's video, we'll discuss some of the events that influenced markets in September and help you understand what they could mean for you as an investor. The third quarter ended in volatility for U.S. financial markets. After a sleepy summer with historically low volatility, markets became more turbulent in September. Let's talk about some of the headlines that drove market movements last month. The Federal Reserve was again the source of much speculation. The central bank met in September to vote on interest rate policy and decided not to raise interest rates again. The Fed is in a tough spot right now because it needs to bring rates higher to avoid a concern of overheating the economy. However, central bankers also need to be careful not to raise rates too soon or too fast, or they risk hurting the possibility of an economic recovery. The data right now looks moderately good, but the Fed knows that there are risks on the horizon. What comes next? It's not likely that the Fed will raise rates at the November meeting, when the presidential election is still a political factor. So that makes the December meeting very important. Wall Street thinks the odds are higher. Interest rates in December are over 60%. Interest rates have complex effects on the economy, corporate profits, markets, and consumer finances, which is why investors care about where rates are going. Overall, we can expect the Federal Reserve to be a source of market volatility through to the end of the year. The third release of QT economic growth data shows that the economy grew 1.4% in the second quarter. While the growth is below trend, economists are expecting to see stronger growth return in the third quarter. Two unofficial projects of gross domestic product show the economy may have grown 2.2% in quarter three. However, forecasts have come down steadily in recent weeks, and it's possible official growth numbers could be disappointing. What can investors expect in the coming weeks? Volatility and more volatility. Markets are grappling with a lot of uncertainty, especially ahead of the November election. We also know that the Federal Reserve wants to raise interest rates this year if possible. On top of that are concerns about oil price volatility and some fallout impact from Britain's exit from the European Union. Overall, we can expect markets to remain uncertain until these important questions are resolved. As always, we'll keep you informed. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 847-426-1077. We'd be happy to talk to you. This is it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Again, this is Jerry Howell with Assured Concepts Group, signing off for the month of October 2016.
If you would like to discuss your portfolio or personal financial needs, please contact us at 847-426-1077. Nothing stated in this presentation should be considered an offer of a securities product nor an investment strategy. The advisors of Assured Concepts Group offer securities and investment advisory services through FSIC. FSIC is a member of FINRA and SIPC. If you would like to discuss your portfolio or personal financial needs, please contact us at 847-426-1077. Nothing stated in this presentation should be considered an offer of a securities product nor an investment strategy. The advisors of Assured Concepts Group offer securities and investment advisory services through FSIC. FSIC is a member of FINRA and SIPC.